Finally, we come to our last specification, specification number 9, which asks us to relate the structure of xylem vessels to their function. We'll focus on a few key points. First, xylem vessels have thick walls reinforced with lignin. We don't need to go into the details of linification, but this thickening is what helps the plant stay upright and supports the transport of water under pressure. Second, xylem vessels have no cell contents, which makes it easier for water and minerals to move through them without obstruction. And third, the cells are joined end to end without cross walls, forming a long continuous tube, allowing water to flow efficiently in one direction only from roots to other parts of the plant. If you look at the diagram, it highlights these features clearly. You can see water and minerals moving upward, the thick lignified walls providing strength, the absence of end walls between cells, and the one-way flow of water. All these structural adaptations make xylem vessels perfectly suited for their role in transport and support. The structure of xylem vessels is closely linked to their function, making them perfectly suited for transporting water and minerals. The outer walls of xylem vessels are thickened with lignin, which strengthens the tubes and prevents them from breaking, ensuring water can flow without obstruction. Lignin also provides structural support to the plant stem. Xylem cells are dead and hollow, lacking any cellular contents, which allows water to move freely. These cells are joined end to end without cross walls, forming a long, continuous tube. By losing their top and bottom walls, xylem cells create uninterrupted channels through which water and dissolved minerals can flow efficiently. If you look at the diagram, it illustrates both xylem and phloem vessels in a plant stem. The xylem shows the dead, hollow tubes with thickened walls, which may be spiral or annular, and also includes pits, small openings that facilitate lateral water movement. Adjacent to the xylem, the phloem is shown with sieve plates and associated cells, representing the living tissue responsible for transporting sugars throughout the plant. Lignin is a strong, complex, and durable polymer found in the walls of xylem cells, and it plays a very important role in plants. It provides structural support, making xylem vessels rigid and resistant to decay. This rigidity helps the plant stay upright and ensures that water moves efficiently through the xylem. Lignin also protects the plant from pathogens and environmental stresses, making the xylem both strong and durable. If we look at the diagram, we can see different patterns of lignin deposition within xylem vessels. In the annular pattern, lignin forms distinct rings around the cell wall. In the spiral pattern, lignin wraps around the wall in a continuous spiral. The pitted pattern shows mostly lignified walls but with small unlinified areas called pits, which are visible in both longitudinal and transverse sections. These patterns give xylem vessels the right balance of strength and flexibility, allowing them to conduct water effectively while supporting the plant and accommodating growth. And with that, we have come to an end. That's all for Chapter 7, Transport in Flowering Plants. I hope you found this session helpful. I intentionally keep my videos short so you can grasp the concepts quickly and watch them with ease. However, the playlists on this channel compile all parts together, giving you the full chapter in sequence. I make sure to cover every single point from your syllabus, and you can also track your progress using the checklist shown in my videos. The notes are available in the video description as well as in the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. See you in the next session, and thank you so much for watching.